Good morning, folks. It's out and about with D'Angelo, right here in Antigua. We're just taking our morning walk around town, and we run across this nice monument right here, right there. It's the V.C. Byrd. He was the Prime Minister of Antigua and the founder, one of the founding brothers. And this is his little statue right here, and it's paying homage to him. And he's V.C. Byrd. Right there, and this is his thing here. So it's called V.C. Byrd Monument right here. And I always wanted to find this place because I think it's so cool. It's paying tribute to Antigua and Barbuda. There you go, big statue of him here in the center of town. And his name is V.C. Byrd, right here. So I just thought I'd bring that to you guys and just point that out. Pretty cool thing. And it's all the way here from Antigua and Barbuda in the Eastern Caribbean. Okay, you guys, one another, and as I always say, be good and peace out.